Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the gallery. Now over here you want to select photos and videos that you want to hide. So if you want to select multiple, then you want to press and hold on the first one, and then you can keep tapping in order to select multiple. After that you can tap more in the bottom right corner, and then you have the option move to secure folder. So let's choose this one. And if you didn't set up the secure folder yet, then you will have the instructions in order to do that. So press continue twice, and then you need to wait like a minute to let your Samsung create the secure folder. After that, you will need to set up a pattern, pin, or password. I'm gonna choose pin. Then let's set up a pin code, and then press continue. One more time. There we go. Of course, you need to remember the pin code. Unless you use reset with Samsung account, but I don't want to use it. And then let's go next. And now this should be moved. There we go. We have the information moving items to secure folder. And there we go. Now, in order to access the secure folder, you can go back, open the app drawer, and then over here you'll find the secure folder. And here, in order to find the items, the photos and videos, you need to open the gallery. And there we go. You have your photos and videos over here. On the other hand, if you want to move or actually hide the photo, just one photo or video, then you need to obviously tap on the item, then go to the top right corner, tap on these three dots, and over here you have move to secure folder. So select it, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.